How we doing, folks? My name is Graham Rockwell with Ruger Firearms. We're here at SHOT Show 2018 talking about the new Ruger PC Carbine. This one here ships in 9mm. Most exciting feature here is an interchangeable mag well system. It ships with 2 mag wells, one that supports Ruger SR and Security 9 magazines, and it also ships with a Glock module. So quick disassembly and reassembly, you can have the PC Carbine shooting your Glock mags. Other great features starting down here at the back. Adjustable length of pole with the Scout spacer system. You got 3 half-inch spacers there. Durable 33% glass-filled nylon stock. You got a 1022 similar trigger group, so great trigger right out of the gate there. Cross pin safety. 2 other great things. You have reversible charging handle and a reversible mag release. So you can have that set up on the right or left depending on how you like it. Another great 1022-esque feature is the takedown. So that's built right in. Easy disassembly and reassembly, ready to go back in the action there. Also included is a machined-in integrated Picatinny rail here. You've got fully adjustable rear sight and front sight. You've got a cold hammer forged 16 1/8" barrel, fluted, and of course, for your favorite muzzle accessories, a half 28 threaded muzzle. So, if you're looking to check this out, check out Ruger.com for the Ruger PC Carbine, or visit your local firearms retailer. MSRP right now is set at $649.
And available now?
And it's shipping that. We're making them every day and shipping them every day now.